Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a DIY anti-pigmentation gel. Things you will need are Argan Oil, which helps in hydrating and moisturizing your skin, and organic aloe vera gel, which acts as a base for your cream. And then the main ingredient is fresh wild turmeric root. Optionally you can use turmeric powder. Turmeric root is antioxidant rich and it has a lot of benefits. So now take an airtight container, add about 2 to 3 or 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Add about 4 to 5 drops of argan oil or coconut oil, or you can also use sesame oil. The next important step is to add turmeric to the mixture. Wash the turmeric root well to get rid of all the soil and grate it. Add about 1 teaspoon of grated turmeric or a pinch of powdered turmeric to the mixture. Mix it well. This gel can be applied to the entire face, or also you can use it as a spot treatment. Use it overnight and wash it off in the morning. Be cautious about the yellow stain which it leaves on your skin. It is a 100% effective solution to treat hyperpigmentation. Hope you like this video. Do try it at home. Like, share and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.